The world is witnessing an unprecedented technological revolution. This revolution is not just about new gadgets or software, it's about a fundamental shift in how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Technology is reshaping industries, economies, and societies at a pace never seen before. At the heart of this revolution are two Asian giants, India and China. These nations are not only embracing technology, but are also becoming the epicenters of innovation and development. Their tech districts, like Bangalore and Shenzhen, are buzzing with activity and creativity. Both nations are experiencing a surge in startup activity. This surge is driven by a young, dynamic population eager to make their mark on the world. These startups are not just local players, they are aiming for global impact, solving problems that resonate worldwide. Innovative companies are emerging, eager to solve global challenges. From healthcare to education, from fintech to artificial intelligence, these startups are tackling some of the most pressing issues of our time. Their solutions are not only innovative but also scalable and sustainable. From bustling tech hubs to innovative solutions, India and China are competing and collaborating on the global stage. This competition and collaboration are driving both nations to new heights of technological prowess and economic growth. This essay analyzes the startup ecosystems in both countries. It delves into the factors that have contributed to their rise, the challenges they face, and the potential they hold for the future. By understanding these ecosystems, we can gain insights into the future of global technology and innovation. It explores their journeys, challenges, and future potential. The journey of these startups is filled with hurdles, from funding issues to market competition, but their resilience and determination are driving them forward. Their future potential is immense, with opportunities to lead in various tech domains. India and China share a similar story of economic growth. Both countries have transformed from agrarian economies to industrial powerhouses and now to tech innovators. This transformation has been fueled by strategic investments in education, infrastructure, and technology. Both countries have embraced technology as a key driver of progress. This embrace is evident in their policies, investments, and the sheer number of tech professionals they produce each year. Their commitment to technology is setting the stage for a new era of innovation. This has led to the rise of vibrant startup ecosystems. These ecosystems are characterized by a culture of innovation, risk-taking, and collaboration. They are supported by a robust network of investors, mentors, and accelerators, all working together to nurture the next generation of tech leaders. These ecosystems are characterized by young entrepreneurs, innovative ideas, and a hunger for success. The energy and enthusiasm of these young innovators are palpable, driving them to push boundaries and create groundbreaking solutions. The rise of startups in India and China signifies a shift in the global economic landscape. This shift is not just about economic power, but also about technological leadership. These countries are positioning themselves as leaders in the global tech arena. These countries are no longer just manufacturing hubs. They are evolving into centers of innovation, where new ideas are born, tested, and scaled. This transition is redefining their roles in the global economy. They are becoming centers of innovation and technological advancement. Their tech labs and innovation centers are at the forefront of cutting-edge research and development, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This has significant implications for the global economy. As India and China continue to rise as tech titans, they will shape the future of technology, innovation, and economic growth on a global scale. Their influence will be felt across industries and borders, heralding a new era of global collaboration and competition. India's startup ecosystem is characterized by its diversity and dynamism. From fintech to edtech, Indian startups are tackling a wide range of sectors, each bringing unique solutions to the table. The country has witnessed the rise of numerous unicorns, startups valued at over $1 billion. These success stories are not just limited to the tech giants but span across various industries, showcasing the versatility and potential of Indian innovation. This reflects the immense potential of the Indian market, which is rapidly evolving and expanding. One of the key drivers of India's startup growth is its young population. With a median age of 28, India has a large pool of tech-savvy individuals. This young and dynamic workforce is not only adept at adopting new technologies but also at creating them. This demographic dividend is a major asset for the startup ecosystem, providing a continuous influx of fresh ideas and innovative solutions. The Indian government has played a crucial role in fostering the startup ecosystem. Initiatives like Startup India provide incentives and support to budding entrepreneurs. These initiatives include tax benefits, easier compliance, and access to funding, which are essential for the growth and sustainability of startups. This has created a more conducive environment for startups to thrive. The collaborative efforts between the government, private sector, and educational institutions have built a robust support system, ensuring that innovative ideas can flourish and transform into successful businesses. Additionally, the presence of numerous incubators and accelerators across the country provides startups with the necessary mentorship and resources to scale their operations. These platforms offer invaluable guidance, helping entrepreneurs navigate the challenges of the startup journey. As a result, India is not just witnessing a surge in the number of startups, but also in the quality and impact of these ventures. The future looks promising as more and more innovative minds come together to shape the new era of Indian entrepreneurship. China's startup ecosystem is a force to be reckoned with. The country has produced some of the world's most valuable startups, including Alibaba and Tencent. Chinese startups are known for their scale, innovation, and global ambitions. China's rise as a startup powerhouse is closely linked to its government's policies. The Chinese government has made significant investments in research and development. It has also created special economic zones that offer tax breaks and other incentives to startups. The Chinese market's sheer size is another major advantage for its startups. With a population of over 1.4 billion, China offers a vast domestic market for businesses to scale. This has enabled Chinese startups to achieve rapid growth. Several factors have contributed to the remarkable growth of startups in both India and China. One common factor is the increasing penetration of smartphones and the internet. This has created a massive digital economy, opening up new opportunities for entrepreneurs. Another key driver is the availability of venture capital funding. Both India and China have seen a surge in investments from domestic and international venture capitalists. This influx of capital has provided startups with the resources to scale their businesses. The entrepreneurial spirit of the people is another important factor. Both countries have a long tradition of entrepreneurship. This spirit of innovation and risk-taking is driving the growth of the startup ecosystems. Section 5. Navigating the hurdles challenges in the startup landscape. Despite the impressive growth, startups in India and China face unique challenges. In India, bureaucratic hurdles and a complex regulatory environment can be major obstacles for entrepreneurs. Access to funding for early-stage startups remains a challenge. In China, competition is fierce. The Chinese startup ecosystem is known for its winner-takes-all mentality. This can make it difficult for smaller startups to survive. Additionally, concerns about intellectual property protection persist. Both countries need to address these challenges to ensure the continued growth of their startup ecosystems. Simplifying regulations, improving access to funding, and strengthening intellectual property protection are crucial steps. Section 6. Triumphs of Innovation Success Stories from India and China. The startup ecosystems in India and China have produced remarkable success stories. In India, companies like Paytm and Flipkart have revolutionized digital payments and e-commerce respectively. These companies have achieved massive scale and have become household names. In China, companies like Alibaba and Tencent have become global giants. Alibaba's e-commerce platform has transformed retail, while Tencent's WeChat has become an indispensable app for communication, social media, and payments. These success stories are a testament to the potential of the startup ecosystems in India and China. They serve as inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and demonstrate the transformative power of technology. Section 7. Collaboration or competition. The interplay between two startup giants. The relationship between the Indian and Chinese startup ecosystems is complex and multifaceted. On the one hand, there is competition. Startups from both countries are vying for market share in sectors like e-commerce, fintech, and artificial intelligence. On the other hand, there is also collaboration. Chinese investors are increasingly investing in Indian startups. There is also potential for collaboration in areas like research and development. The future will likely see a combination of competition and collaboration between startups from both countries. This will drive innovation and benefit both ecosystems. Section 8. The road ahead. Future trends and opportunities. The future of startups in India and China is bright. Both countries are well positioned to continue their growth trajectories. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things present significant opportunities for startups. India's startup ecosystem is expected to see continued growth in sectors like fintech, edtech, and healthcare. China's startups are likely to focus on areas like artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. Both countries need to continue investing in education, infrastructure, and a supportive regulatory environment to fully realize the potential of their startup ecosystems. Section 9. A global impact, the future of innovation. As we look towards the horizon, the landscape of global innovation is rapidly evolving, with India and China emerging as pivotal players. The rise of startups in India and China has significant implications for the global economy. These nations are not just participants but are becoming leaders in the tech world, fostering environments where creativity and entrepreneurship thrive. These startups are not only creating jobs and driving economic growth in their respective countries, but are also developing innovative solutions to global challenges. From healthcare advancements to sustainable energy solutions, the innovations emerging from these regions are addressing some of the world's most pressing issues. As these startups continue to grow and expand globally, they will have a profound impact on various industries. Their influence will be felt in sectors ranging from artificial intelligence and biotechnology to fintech and e-commerce, reshaping how we live and work. They will also play a crucial role in shaping the future of technology and innovation. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible, these startups are setting new standards and inspiring a new generation of innovators. The world will be watching closely as India and China continue their journey as startup powerhouses. Their progress is not just a regional phenomenon but a global one, with ripple effects that will be felt across continents. Their success will not only benefit their own citizens, but will also contribute to a more innovative and prosperous future for all. By fostering international collaborations and partnerships, these startups are building bridges that connect diverse ideas and cultures, paving the way for a more interconnected and innovative world.